What's up guys, Saif Ashraf here. Today I'm starting a new series today for you guys to help with your computer science GCSE. Today we're going to be going over lesson 1 in 1.1, which is systems architecture. So yeah, today's video is going to be about computer systems and the two different types of computers. I'm also going to be telling you about what embedded systems are and what general purpose computer systems are. So let's start off with what a computer system is. A computer system takes inputs from the user, processes them, and turns them into outputs for the user to see. And the computer system uses both hardware and software. I assume you guys know what hardware and software is, but just in case you didn't know, hardware is anything that is part of the computer which you can touch, such as the hard drive, RAM, CPU, and so on. And software is basically the stuff that runs on the computer, such as apps basically and programs like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, the camera app on your phone, or even Snapchat. Those are all programs and software. Now, like I said, the way the computer can get inputs from the user is literally called inputs. So input devices, that's how the computer gets the signals. These can be from mouse, keyboard, microphone like I'm doing right now. These are all sending signals to the computer and the computer then processes these input signals. These inputs are processed by the CPU, and the CPU is something we'll be covering on a separate video, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. So once data has been processed, the inputs have been processed by the CPU, the output needs to be done. So the CPU sends a signal to the output devices, which an example can be the speakers, which can be the display, and even the vibration on your controllers, but that's a bit complicated. So all you need to know is the screen on your laptop or TV, or even the speakers on your laptop, TV, or phone. Those are output devices, since the signal is sent to the screen or the speaker to then show you what it's done. So if I type F on the keyboard, then the letter F will be printed. So the F was the input, and the letter F showing to me on the display was the output. That is literally what a computer system is. Now let's talk about the two different types of computers. We have general purpose computers and embedded systems. So a general purpose computer is very common. It's literally like your phone, your laptop, your PC, anything that can do more than one task. So an example of why your phone is a general purpose system is because you can do a lot of things on your phone, such as messaging people, taking pictures, writing documents, stuff like that. Now, the way general purpose computers do this is by using a range of software. So like I said before, software can be like apps running on your phone. So since your smartphone is a general purpose computer, the software such as Snapchat, camera app, iMessage, those all allow you to do different things on your phone. An embedded system only allows you to do one specific task in a larger system. So for example, if you have a washing machine is actually my favorite example. It's very easy to remember. You have a big washing machine, but obviously you only wash clothes in your washing machine. So there will be an embedded system in there to only perform that one task. They're not like normal computers. They are actually very tiny, and they're probably printed onto the circuit board of the actual machine. So once again, embedded systems only do one specific task. So a nice example is a flashlight. If I press the button on a flashlight, it has an embedded system inside because it only turns on and off. That's an example of an embedded system. So to summarize, a computer system uses inputs from you, which is processed by the CPU. Inputs coming from the mouse, keyboard, microphone, etc. Once processed by the CPU, the computer shows the output by presenting an image on the screen or making a sound with speakers. Now, there are two types of computers, general purpose and embedded systems. General purpose can do many tasks, such as your laptop or your phone or your PC. An embedded system only does one specific task, like a washing machine, my favorite example. So that's about it. Make sure to leave it in the comments if you do have any questions about this topic whatsoever. I will make sure to reply to nearly all of you. Obviously, I'm going to be busy with revision as well, revise. And if you guys don't fully understand, make sure to watch the video again. And my Instagram and my email will be in the comment section in case you need to ask me a question directly. Make sure to like and subscribe. There are more videos coming out soon. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. It's been Saif Ashraf, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.